welcome back to Compare With Me. We're out here in Lakewood Country Club. Gonna play a 9-hole. We're gonna go for a break 50 today. So, gonna keep it real simple. A little windy today. Yeah, probably some 15 to 20 mile per hour winds. Never played in this conditions myself, but we'll see how it goes. Here we go. It's break 50 today. On to hole 1.
So here we're at hole 1, long par 4, the dog leg right. Need a good drive out here. Gave it a beautiful first swing of the day, giving us a pretty good look in.
I'll take that. Probably a good 220 first shot, so let's get the second shot on the green.
So here we're at with shot 2, about 100 yards out, 54. Gave it a great swing, just left a little short and to the right. Missed the bunker to the right, thankfully, too, so we'll take that.
Great first 2 shots for me. I will gladly take those. Front of the green here. I don't think we're on, but right there.
Okay, so we got a chip in from here from about 20 yards.
Go ball. A little soft.
Okay, so we got this putt here to save par. I'm reading it a little left to right. Left it a little bit too much on top.
Sorry. First hole. I'm fine with that, actually.
Now onto hole 2. Pretty straight one. A little bit of water hazard on the left. And unfortunately, I missed my first shot, so you're going to have to watch the ball tracker on the right while I record my sweater.
Thank God for the wind on that one. And my slice came in handy on that one, too. Just went straight into the water and brought it back onto the fairway. Here we go. Got about 136, wind going left to right. So my pitch a little left. Hopefully the wind brings it back. Oh my gosh! Pulled that really far left. Trees. Not terrible. Okay, yeah, the wind brought it back a little bit. Have a decent look at the green here. Yeah, we're good, thanks. Tough shot, 58. Not much green to work with behind or in front. Might have to hit it short.
Caught this one pretty well, just bounced over the green to the other side. Got this putt coming right to left. Gave it a good go, just stayed a little bit under, but had great speed for the movement of it. About 5 feet here for this putt. Pretty straight. Gave it a good go.
Woo! I know it was a bogey, but it was really nice to see that putt go in, so I think we're on the good things here. On to hole 3.
Alright, hole 3 is a long par 3 with about 200 yards with some water hazard on the left.
Oh, that's gone. Yikes. Okay. Yeah, last time I played, I didn't lose a ball. That one straight into the water, so we'll take it. It's alright. Hitting 3 on a par 3. Wind coming right to left. A little bit against us. Oh, thinned it. God. I'm gonna blame that one on the wind. I thinned that one so bad, way over the green. See if we can get it through the trees.
I would advise many of you to look away now. A couple nasty chunks lead to me picking up the ball, throwing it in, and just walking off this hole.
Okay, the rule with me is you can only double your par. So it's par 3, you only get 6. I know a lot of you say that doesn't count, but to me it does. Here we go.
Hole number 4 is actually one of my favorite holes out here. Short par 5, 400 yards, the dogleg right, and a pretty open fairway.
Some bunker.
Thankfully we landed just past that bunker with a great look at the green.
Pretty good drive. I will take it.
For our second shot, we had about 130 yards. Pulled this one left. A little frustrating on that, but thankfully landed in a decent spot to recover.
End it again. Left. I'm happy I'm pulling these, I'm not slicing them as much. I don't know how much we have to look out with the green.
Somehow we just missed that bunker. See this one going left to right, just put a little too high.
Roll down. Roll down. Ah.
Still gave ourselves a pretty good look here for birdie, with it going right to left about 6 feet. Good solid one, just under. I'll leave a tap in there for par, take that.
Got a par there on a par 5. I would gladly take that. Entering now another par 5. Here we go. On to the 5th hole.
Along with the 3rd hole, this is probably one of my most hated holes on this course. It's a straight par 5, but just really long.
Yikes!
Along with it being a long par 5, it does not help to sky your ball, especially when the wind is straight against you on this hole today.
Change my swing. Let's go against the wind, get it lower. Not ready to do that.
Alright, on this shot, I got my 3-wood out. I tried to cut it right under those trees to the left, push it to the right too far, and it went across the fairway into the rough. This left me with a pretty bad look. Had to punch this one out. Tried to clear it, just got knocked down by the tree.
Tree knocked it down. There's nothing to do here to hit it. Go a little left. It's fine. We'll take it. Punch out onto the fairway. About 80 against the wind. Oh, Matt, you're getting so chunky now. Come on. Gotta love golf. Gotta love golf. I gotta get a 50-yard chip in. Hopefully it sticks for the 6th spot.
This was a day I was really struggling with my chips. I really work on them, but just wasn't coming off well.
You gotta hit a good one, Matt. Come on.
They either were coming out chunky or thin like that. Some of you might not believe me for the win, think I'm saying it for clout. There goes the first camera drop from the wind. So missed that putt, wasn't able to capture that. And there's the second one. So we're at currently 31, 19 strokes left with 4 holes to go. And at this point, my microphone got knocked out of my camera, so you'll be hearing me narrating a lot more. So hole 6 is a pretty straight par 4 with some bunker protection right in front of the green. First swing came off super ugly, went to the left into the neighbor's yard. Thought I hit it right, to be honest. So we took a drop here and hit a glorious shot with our hybrid, drawing right onto the green. Rolled a little bit over, but fantastic shot for me. I'll take that. Gave myself a decent look to save par and hit it terribly. So decided to putt it from here, going a little bit left to right. Gave it a great roll and dropped it in for bogey. Those kind of bogeys feel like a part of me, so I will definitely take that. Hole 7 is a pretty straightforward par 4. Got a little bit of a bunker and a landing spot to the right there. Gave it a great strong swing. Got worried a little bit about that bunker, but we went right past it, so we will definitely take that all day. Second shot, we were about 100 yards out. Got my 54. Hit it really well, I thought, but just came up super short of the green. Give myself now just a short chip in here, about 20 yards to the 3rd shot. Got to get up and down to save par, but thin it and go really far to the back of the green there. Got a really long putt now, about 60 feet maybe. Going left to right, and just don't even give it close to enough power there to leave it really short. So still have more work to do on another putt here. So we now got about 10 feet, probably 15. And again, still going left to right, just not as much as I thought it was gonna go. So we'll take that 6, double bogey, 42, 8 strokes to go, last 2 holes. Hole 8 is a long par 3 with a protected bunker there on the right. Great contact, just pulled it again to the left and short.
Oh boy.
Now we need the second shot to be real good. Gave it great contact, just probably needed to go a little bit more. Just stayed on that front of the green, leaving a long putt to the back. Now we left ourselves a 50-footer. Need this to go down to have a chance at 50. And we just miss it. So we'll take that 4, and we need something crazy to happen here in order to have a chance. Okay, so hole 9, we're gonna need an eagle to have a chance. So this is gonna be par 5. We need 3 strokes max. And this drive is not gonna help. Got it to hook too much behind this tree. Second shot, trying to hit a home run ball. Again, trying to get that draw around these trees. Boom, had great contact, just hit it straight into the driving range. So had to take a drop here, got a new green ball going. Punch it out into the fairway. Again, we lost our chance to break 50, so we're just having some fun on these last few shots. This was a nice chip on, leaving us with one final putt to see if we can say bogey here. And just run it right by. So take that double 53, and we'll call it a day there. That'll wrap up the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Appreciate all the love and support. We are growing and trying to get to that 100 subscriber mark. So appreciate you guys hitting that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for coming apart with me. And God bless. Have a great day, guys.